U.S. markets incurred a other day of cliff losses, as investors discarded public health thoroughness companies, and POM. The dark blue microchip Dow Jones Industry Ordinary sank almost 1.4%, labeling its largest A-day decrease in months. TIE's yields as well rose, showing recent years' 3 U.S. concern bet hikes. United Health Team and Pfizer were the 2 largest losers on the Dow. The insurance coverage business HIM saw the steepest losses on the S&P 500. Such are amongst the firms how would be endangered by the occurrence of a main new rival, or signs of a by the government crackdown on narcotic prices pledged by U.S. CEO Donald Trump card. POM moistened 0.6% on accountable of poor consumer demand for its newest iPhone, and power firms as well came by blood pressure. But the losses were common, moving almost each segment. The Dow closed downward points at 26, the broad S&P 500 bring down 31.1 points or percent. The technology-heavy Nasdaq barn 64 points or percent to 7. Meantime, the close observed VIX code, that measures variability relying on options prices, as well shooting up following months of tranquility, in which several investors say is a mark how more than marketplace oscillation could be upcoming. All 3 main U.S. indexes are up more than rather than 5% with the begin of the monthly. Eric Wigand, elder briefcase officer at U.S. banking Individual Riches Control, told Jan's growth was managed by high consumer expectations, as world increase intensified and the U.S. adopted main tax intermittent. He told several investors were potential to be cash in on their reached. They are as well responsive to new data as companies upgrade investors on their end-of-year income and ensure forecasts for 2018. Other may be concerned on the perspective of high concern rates, that would driving TIE's yields high. TIE's yields been comparatively low in latter year, help to do stocks the more than appealing invest. But yields obtained more than newly, as the U.S. has grown concern rates. The give on the 10-year exchequer close on Tuesday at its highest standard with 2014. Investors are contagious up to the reality how rates rising, told Jonathan McKay, invest policymaker at Schroders. Same marketplaces eventually contagious upwards. Investors are observer to see if the U.S. Fed backup, that is in the medium of a couple-day meet in Washington, will alarm while concern rates might growth once again. The banking is on to expose a changing of management as Janet Yellen, who is examined as conducive low concern rates, stares downward.